Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then pick whichever contact you have around, it doesn't matter actually, and as you can see here is your current keyboard language. If you would like to change it, click on the settings icon and pick languages. Click on Add Keyboard, and now just come along with all possible options. As you can see, you've got plenty of them. So just come along and pick the one that you would like to apply, pick your own language or the one that you would like to come along with. And for example, let me pick Yiddish, tap on Done, and remove English from this list. And now if you will go back, you will see that keyboard language has been changed. So this is it. Then whenever you want to change it again or go back to English or do whatever, like pick any other language, tap on the settings again and just perform the same operation. So pick the language that you would like to have. I will go back to English, click on Done, then remove Yiddish, and now you're back in the default setup. So this is it. This is how you can change keyboard language in your HTC Desire 19 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.